back to another video. It's part 2 of the airplane story, and we were playing it, but I had to stop the video, and I'll probably just post that other part. So it's practically part 3 right now. So right now we're looking to finish the code, and I think that's probably out here somewhere. That's why I came out here, and it's probably in here. Wait, maybe it was an order in the soup. No, they wouldn't do that. Try clicking the TV. Maybe it'll come on, the colors will come on. Let's see. Workroom? Blue, pink, red a bunch of times. Try that. The candles are in that order. Blue, pink, red, blue, pink, red.
Well, so...
It starts on this side.
I can't change this. Dang it.
Click the keyboard, maybe.
No, it won't.
Let me just try. This one's broken.
Blue. Wait, was it all? It was all blue.
Oh, that's why the TV is blue. Whoa. We really need to work in that code. It was all blue. Meet with the president in the next room.
No. Meet the president.
I hope I don't get him mad. Raspberry face. Oh, come on. What are you going to do? I'm going to sit in this chair. Just walking all over it. Yeah. Yeah, you shouldn't have. You better have not touched that chef. I had to get everything ready. What did you need to do? Anyways, as our wait. I think the president is a bad guy. Why else would he need to leave early and say, I needed to,
in my bedroom.
Why would he want to leave early?
Yeah, because he's probably the monster, because he said, before he said that. Pilot room, no. Bedroom.
It's a butterfly.
Butterfly. Look at how mad the president looks.
Yeah, he's a guilty one.
Can't.
Good reading, Leo.
Wait, what does it say? For some reason, I can't find the keys. Can you look for them? They should be around here in this room. Probably behind the chair. Nope.
Wait, there's keys?
Yeah, we have to find the keys. Oh, maybe I found them.
There's papers. I just found a paper. Stop! There's papers. I just found a paper by his desk.
Haunted. It says haunted. I don't think we should sleep in here. I mean,
He said that we can sleep in here, Leah.
him. That means he's the bad guy. I'm scared. Wait, I'm gonna shut the door. Help me shut the door, Eli.
I don't think we can.
Good night. I hope there's enough room for everyone. I'll give you time. I think he's a bad guy, so I'm gonna run all the way over here in the corner.
No, let's just go to sleep.
Yeah, I'll sleep in this corner. Look, there's literally a thing pinned to the table that says him, and beside him it says haunted.
Haunted him? Him haunted?
He's haunted. He's the bad guy, Eli.
Okay, well.
Wait, 2 out of 7. We're looking for those.
I'll give you guys some time.
Look, 2 out of 7.
I know.
We're looking for those notes. We need to find them all over the place.
Maybe there were some at our seats?
3 minutes. Alright, I'm not going to sleep. Let's look around. Darn it. There might be some more in this room. Why is there a button outside of the window? That's kind of weird. Locked room. Pilot room. Oh.
The president's gone.
Let's the curtain. What curtain? No! I accidentally hit something on settings.
The curtain.
No! I think I just got disconnected. I hit something on settings on accident.
Please.
No!
I'm about to leave the game.
Yeah, Eli, you might want to leave the game. Yeah, it's just you. Guys, the president has to be the monster. Why would the monster show up after the president was gone? Alright, guys. I'll see you when we get back to the part we were at. Now. Okay, guys, so we're all the way back.
Yum.
We're not fully really back, but we're eating. I'm eating this banana piece. It's further away from me, but I still like it. I love bananas, just in case you guys didn't know that. Not in a weird way.
Tastes so good. I love it.
Yes, thank you. I've never cooked in my life.
I love it. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
I don't know why he keeps choosing me to cook. Oh, wow, I ate the bowl too. Is that a normal thing for people to eat the bowl? The president had to leave early. You let him do that? We were just about to discover the... Hey, at least we know that of the code.
There might be a sheet of paper in here.
Sheet of paper, look for the sheet of paper. You should have been doing that. Might look under the table. No. You have to be able to walk on it for it to be there. I'm checking in the hallway. Computer room. We already know there's one in here, so we have to collect that one. Oh, maybe it was not there, but let's still look. Well, we have to still look. We
Remember,
already...
it's all blue.
Well, it's all whatever's up on the TV, Eli. It might be different. Welcome to the computer room. We use this room to protect... Alright, I'm gonna look for notes, and you can just stay there.
Well, I need to talk to you.
Yeah, you don't need to. It counts for everyone. I bet you there was a note in the kitchen.
No, it does not count.
Yeah, it does.
No, because I didn't get two until I picked it up after you.
Oh. Well, there's none out here anyway. Alright, what shows up on the TV? White!
White, only white.
Pink, white. Pink, white. Pink, white.
Hey, okay, you do that side, I'll do this side.
I can't change it from blue. It's random now.
Oh, once it gets to white.
There. Alright, let's get in. Grab the note.
I know where it is.
Haunted.
Did you grab it?
I think I did.
Look. No.
I'm clicking it too. I probably
clicked
got it.
I
I think we have to wait until the talking was
grabbed
over.
it.
We have to wait until the talking was over. I think I do have it, but it just doesn't show up on my screen.
Now try.
Here. See, it just doesn't show up on the side of my screen. I have it. Probably because you collected it already.
Tyler's room. You can't go in there. But yeah, we have to run.
The curtains! You're right, the curtains. I'm not telling you where the keys are.
Yeah.
Fine, the keys is over by him at the desk somewhere.
They're not. Don't.
Fine.
Go for that.
They're not there, Eli. They're mine. I want to do it. It's my turn. Lucky.
You said you'd let me do everything else.
I didn't say everything. I said most of it. Plus, making the soup isn't actually that easy after all. Everything moved every time he says it.
We already know this is here. I got two.
I don't think it shows up for me. Okay. Dog's barking at somebody. So we already know to stay away from the curtains because they're going to be gone, and we have to be close to the door.
Yeah.
Get the door immediately. You could, I guess you're inside. I'm inside of you right now. That's weird. Okay, the curtain is going to move.
No, I was in front.
We're both at the same spot, Eli. It's nighttime already. I can't sleep.
Move, I don't want.
There's something.
Look out the door too.
Eli, you made me hit settings again. Now I'm gonna get kicked off again. There. Guys.
Alright, look at the curtain. We're gonna have to run here soon.
It's opening.
I can already see them.
Same. Ready? Start running.
When it's fully open.
Run at the door.
That's what I'm doing. Once it's fully open.
It's the monster.
He's going to
I can tell there's gonna be parkour or code or something.
move, or else I can't.